In this case, we'll be performing the verification of our statement of work. This document contains the different constraints and the different conditions of the project. Here we have our stakeholder requirement specification within an MS Excel. And particularly, I would like you to focus on this requirement here, which states basically that the statement of work has to be compliant with a specific standard. We move now on to the V&V Studio, where we have connected our tool to the different stakeholder requirements. We move on to the V&V Assurance tab and precisely to the part of the templates. We right-click on it and we select Verification Action Template. So we input the corresponding name. In this case, we're going to perform a checklist verification action. For the technique, is going to be an inspection, and the method is going to be changed as such. The decomposition level is going to be system of interest, and now we will import the different questions corresponding to the standard that we want to evaluate our statement of work against. Okay, here we could select the verification action template to the entire specification, but in this case, we will only apply to the requirement that we want, which is going to be this one, assign verification action template. Okay, now we right-click on it and we select Fill Verification Action. In this case, we will have now the option to complete the checklist, and let's get right into it. So let's speed up the process of modifying the document and revising whether or not we are compliant with the different questions. This is the final result. And as we can see, we still have a few issues to solve, but we execute the verification. And of course, we suggested no as the result because we have a few of them answered as no. We perform the corresponding changes, and this is now the final result. So we will proceed to re-evaluate the requirement, and now we have obtained finally the suggested yes that we expect. We can now see here the current status and provide an objective evidence of this result, which in this case is going to be the document corresponding to the statement of work itself. We change the status, okay, which can be done within the verification action template or outside it, as in this case. Here we have the different states, and in this case, we will simply select Accept the suggester.